Hey guys, welcome to WordsAtScale. So today I'll tell you about my experience with building a statewide directory that is gonna be a replacement for many of my rank and rank projects. And this is next gen. So not only this is an amazing directory with stunning images, with service pages, with a blog section, with guides, with tools, resources, the directory itself. The power is actually hidden from the eyes and the power is in the admin panel. That not only allows me to check the activity, it allows me to edit my directory listings. I get access to the incoming leads. I can see very robust analytics as far as business that I getting clicked on. And this is extremely important for the future outreach campaigns. So I'm tracking phone clicks, website clicks, email clicks, I can look at the content and which content is actually getting clicked on, so I can plan my next steps accordingly. And I even have a better ad that so far has only gotten one click. And I'll tell you about that in a minute. Not only that, but you have actual call logs with actual call recordings. And this is the most amazing part. I've connected this site to Vapi. So I can go to this actual call. I can hear the recording.
Estimated at a level 3 4 moderate severity, a final walkthrough, a phone number to reach you, and an email if you have one.
And this is the virtual assistant talking. Just admire the human likeness or whatever it's called of this assistant.
Totally optional. Also, when's the best time for them to call?
You can even hear the background clicks and background voices as if this was a real person in an office talking alongside other assistants or other salespeople. So this is amazing. You get an AA summary. This was my call. So Vlad called the Ohio Hoarding Cleanup Directory seeking services for a level 3-4 moderate hoarding situation. And this is a full transcript. These are my details, and I can see the actual costs for these calls. So if you're interested in how to build a directory just like this one, keep on watching. Okay, so I've counted 9 distinct steps to creating this next level statewide directory. I'll go through each of these steps one by one. Step 1 is selecting a niche, and this is actually easier than you might think. I used a prompt with Perplexity with social and deep research activated, and the prompt was pretty easy. What are the best rank and rank niches as of March 2026 for the US market? Explain your reasoning. And this was the full report. It gave me tier 1 niches, concrete services, epoxy flooring, fence installation, dumpster rentals, tier 2, tree services, paving companies, deck builders, mold remediation, pest control. Gave me a very nice table with lead value comparison, niches to avoid, which was very interesting, emerging opportunities, and I would actually go for epoxy flooring if I were to create this directory from scratch. However, for me, I already owned a domain in hoarding, so that's how I came about the hoarding niche. But if I were you, I would definitely run this prompt here. And once you've picked your niche, say I got interested in epoxy flooring, I ask these follow-up questions. What is the average cost per job for epoxy flooring? It was surprisingly high, between 16 to 5,800. And then this is probably the most important question of all. What would be the best states to try epoxy, to enter epoxy floor and niche, and why? And it gave me the whole list of states and the reasons why it thinks these are the best states for the niche. So Utah and Idaho, Colorado, Washington, Oregon, Arizona, and North Carolina were the top ones. And this is basically how you pick your niche. Again, if you were just creating a regular rank and rant, you would have to use something like EMG Striker that actually gives you full analysis of map packs, sponsored ads, gives you a so-called striker score, like Hoarding Cleanup Baltimore, for example. It's wide open, and this is still valid for regular rank and rants, but since directories, especially statewide directories, is such an unoccupied niche, so I'm yet to find a niche where a statewide directory currently exists and is fully developed. So this is amazing. Now, step 2 was fetching directory data, and here I used another one of my tools in my toolbox, which is Manus.ai. It's not my tool, but you get the drift. And the prompt was again surprisingly simple. Give me a complete list of hoarding cleanup service operators that are covering Ohio. I want them split by city, town, county, operating statewide, so I want at least 50 entries. Output them as an Excel table with the following columns: name, URL, description, current rating based on reviews, phone number, and email. And this is what I got. I think I ended up with 60 plus, which was amazing. And I saved this and used it in my prompts with Claude Code. Now, moving along, step 3, which was choosing my dev pathway. So there are many ways you can go about it. The easiest way would be using a service like Locust Pilot, for example, and you get a discount by using my code. And here you're capable of creating stunning ranking runs. This is my latest one. And all you have to do basically is to do this statewide and then add a directory on top of it using Cloud Code. And I have a video on my channel of how to add directories to these static HTML websites. It's surprisingly simple. So this is way number 1. And way number 2 is basically using Cloud Code. And to my school community, I've developed this enormous niche directory blueprint, which contains everything that you need to know to create a directory, just like the one that I showed you. What you do is you go to Cowork, you start a new project, you call it a directory and then the state, and then you drop the menu here so it can always reference this blueprint. And the biggest deal with the project is that they have inbuilt memory and they can always reference whatever you're doing inside of them, which is amazing. So I use Cloud Code and Cloud Cowork to develop my directory. And I have choose your dev pathway twice, so it's very important. Now, the next step is setting up the credentials. What I mean by credentials is that personally, I have quite a few. So you have to have your Superbase, which you can set up for free. FormSpree, which is a lead capture provider, again, for free. Vapi API, which is pretty inexpensive to start with. You can just top it up with $10 to test it out. Nanobanana API, which is a Nanobanana API provider. Then I have my hosting provider, which is Hostinger, then domain registrar and Google Search Console. This is free. The domain usually costs under $10, and you do have to spend some time. So with Superbase, you just create a new project, you go to connect, and here under connection string and API keys and MCP, so especially the API keys, if you feed this to Cloud Cowork, it's going to do everything for you. So all you have to do is go set up a project, collect the API keys, and then Cloud Cowork is going to do everything else. FormSpree looks like this one. You just have to use the forum endpoint. That's it. Nanobanana provider, which is at nanobanana API.ai. As you can see, I'm using this every day. And the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Step 6, you need to add the admin panel. So the admin panel is the biggest feature of this directory. And again, I want to spend a few minutes talking about that. So like I said, well, I've said numerous times already, the biggest advantage of directories is that there are multiple sources of income. You can resell leads, yes, but you can also advertise other local businesses. You can sell advertising space. And since you're just starting out, you need to show something besides clicks and impressions, and it has to be business related. So again, if I go to analytics, last 30 days, I can actually approach these businesses and say like Black Diamond Junk Removal, you guys are getting clicks to your phone number, to your website, to your email. If you'd like, I could feature you more prominently. And then if you go to the actual website, to the directory section, I have this kind of dumb banner, which currently leads to my free cost calculator. But every time it gets clicked, this is getting measured, and I can say that not only do I get clicks to these individual listings, I also get a lot of clicks to this calculator, which is to this banner, which is not true currently, but I can sell you this advertising space to see where it takes you. And obviously the copy is terrible. This is all weird, but for example, if these guys wanted some special treatment, I would feature them prominently here. And at least I'm already getting some data as far as clicks to this advertising space. And again, the way I created this admin panel was surprisingly simple. So you can have it server side. You can create a separate server with just your admin panel, but that's gonna, play against my whole HTML/static site ideology. It's gonna make this project heavy and slow. So basically, you're still using HTML, but then inside of your HTML code, you asking Cloud Code to make it so that every time you visit your admin panel, the data from Superbase gets fetched and updated. So this is not stored at Ohio Hoarding Cleanup. This is still stored in Superbase, but this is kind of a dynamic fetch that is getting visualized. So this is an amazing solution. Surprisingly, I came up with it myself, and this works for me. right now. I'm not sure if it's the best solution, but it doesn't slow down the website, and it was extremely easy to set up. And then you can actually collect calls with the help of Vapi API. So that's amazing. Once again, everything is going to be discussed and mentioned here in this blueprint. Moving along, step 7, and step 7 is Vapi. So before this, I never used Vapi, and I was just searching for the easiest way to set this up, and it was extremely easy. A few things to note down is I previously advertised this service here, which is hushed.com for mobile numbers, and this doesn't work, at least not directly. You would have to have a Zapier of some sort or a webhook or whatever to connect the two. So a much easier play is just to buy a number through Vapi itself. So you can click on create phone number. A lot of numbers are available. You can integrate with other providers like Twilo or Telnix, but I just bought off of Vapi, and I then went to the API keys. I grabbed them. I fed them back to Cloud Cowork, and everything else was set up for me, even the AI assistant. So as you can see, I have my Ohio Coordinating Cleanup assistant with a pretty elaborate system prompt. And the system prompt is explicitly telling this assistant to act as a directory representative, to be fully aware of all of the sections of the website, and to always move the conversation into collecting a phone number, an email address, and other things that your regular lead collection would imply. Now, there are 2 steps I haven't embarked upon yet. The first one is building backlinks. So I'm currently running an experiment with Fat Joe, which is a very popular provider of backlinks and also citations. So if you go to orders, I recently purchased 2 of these, which is local citation building, and they were administered on March 23, so a day ago, 2 days ago. So I'm yet to see any impact because I not even able to see the Google Search Console for this current date that I'm on. But yeah, so if you go to services, then local citation building, and then order now, and I got 2 of these packages, so 100 citations each, and I drove them to 2 of my rank and runs, 2 existing websites with some data already, so I can see if there is any impact. And if there is, I will start driving these guys here to my Ohio Hoarding directory. Now the last step, and admittedly this is going to be the most important one, is starting an outreach campaign. So once I start getting more data, more clicks, more leads, I will basically fetch all the businesses. And the good news is that I've already done that because they are in the directory. And I'll create an email automation sequence that actively reaches out to these businesses. And I might even use Vapi to make calls to them. And again, since I will be showing the actual dashboard with analytics, this is going to be a way easier play than just going off of clicks and impressions, because neural rank runs are not getting a lot of leads to begin with, but you ideally would like to start pre-selling your website at least. And if this is a success and going to be evident in a month or so, maybe a couple of months, I will start doubling down on this directory ideology. I've already picked my niches, so I'll be going for epoxy flooring, I'll be going for hoarding, and I'll be going for concrete leveling in different states if this succeeds. And I hope it does. But at least you've just learned how I'm approaching building next-gen directories. Now, I discuss everything in my school community. I've got my flagship SearchGap method. I'm teaching Vapi SEO. You get local SEO Outranking Academy. And if you just go to the community and then results, you'll see that people are constantly sharing their ranking results with actual data, actual clicks, and Google Search Console snapshots. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.